up, 911 Cool fam?
What's up, 911 Cool fam? What's up, 911 Cool fam? So we got some exciting news.
What's going on?
Next week, we're headed to Minneapolis. Now,
what was it called? The city of
Twin Cities.
Twin Cities.
The city of twins. Anyways, all I know about Minneapolis is that there's the biggest mall in the world.
Oh yeah, that's right. You do some shopping.
Apparently, other than that, there's not much out there. I know there's a big 911 community apparently, and there's a pretty big Cars and Coffee presence, from what I know.
Oh.
But more exciting is, I'm headed out to Minneapolis to pick up my 1992 C2 Grand Prix White.
Ooh, must be nice.
Been looking for this one for a minute, and now that I found it, I actually found this one back in February, but Chris, the seller, was very busy, and he said that they had it was like 4 feet of snow, and he just had a hard time getting the car out, and just wasn't the good time to be selling the car. And he told me to hit him up in the spring, and in the spring he was very busy. So here we are now, late July. We finally made the deal, and we're gonna head over to check out the car, pay for it, and hopefully do a cruise out there.
Yep, it's gonna be tightly jammed, but it'll be interesting.
And also, we will be meeting with another Chris out there who does a lot of awesome work for Petrolicious, for Triple O Magazine, and for Porsche. And he lives out in the middle of the woods apparently, and he knows a lot of back roads, especially roads that go along the Mississippi, which is really cool because
I'm pretty stoked for that.
Yeah, what else is there? Oh, so we're basically almost doing a turnaround trip. We're gonna land at midnight almost, and we have basically next Wednesday all day to pay for the car, check out the car, drive the car, hopefully get it onto a transport, and then we head back Thursday morning.
6:30 in the morning.
Wow, that's a tight schedule.
Yep.
And as if that wasn't tight enough, on Monday I have my Toyo shoot, which got rescheduled from Tuesday because I had to fly out to Minneapolis. And I almost booked a flight on Monday again, which would have been really bad.
Oh, that would have been bad.
Because we have about 11 people coming out, and that would have been super bad.
It's gonna be fucking epic.
So here we are. We finally booked the flights, so it's official now, and we had to book rooms. But other than that, we're set. So we're going to Minneapolis.
It's gonna be an adventure.
It's gonna be a good one.
A good one.
So I wanted to tell you guys what's up. Want to start vlogging a little bit more, and then hopefully when we get back, we got some projects. We're gonna be doing a turbo brake upgrades on both of the 964s. Good idea on that, and then some suspension work hopefully, but we'll see once everything is said and done. But hold on to your seats, boys and girls. It's gonna be a cool little adventure coming up.